Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw XRP from Binance to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you're holding XRP on Binance and want to move it to your Coinbase Wallet for better security or easier management, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your accounts are all set up. You'll need a verified Binance account and a Coinbase Wallet address ready to go. Verification is key for security, so if you haven't done that yet, pause this video and handle it now. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section at the top of the page. From there, click on Withdraw. This is where the magic happens. Next, in the Withdrawal page, search for XRP in the Asset search bar. Select XRP, and you'll see options for the network. For XRP, make sure you're using the XRP Ledger network. It's crucial to match this with your Coinbase wallet to prevent any errors. Now, enter your Coinbase wallet address. Pro tip: always copy and paste this directly from your Coinbase app to avoid typos. Then, specify the amount of XRP you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be a minimum withdrawal amount and network fees, so check those details beforehand to avoid surprises. Once you've filled in the details, review everything carefully. Hit the Withdraw button and confirm the transaction with any required 2FA codes. Binance will process your request, and it usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, jump over to your Coinbase Wallet app and keep an eye on your balance. Once it shows up, you're all set. In 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, always stay updated on any platform changes. There you have it. Simple, right? Withdrawing XRP has never been easier. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.